Imagine a view from above where the world unfolds like a vibrant tapestry, threaded with colors and textures that challenge the confines of earthly perspectives. From lofty peaks dusted with eternal snow to intricate patterns of winding rivers, the Earth's surface offers a visual feast when seen from the skies. Drones, our modern-day mechanical birds, capture these breathtaking scenes, revealing the hidden symphonies of landscapes and human endeavors. This essay voyages through the air across diverse terrains and cultures, showcasing the planet's most awe-inspiring vistas. The view from above transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. Drones, once mere gadgets of leisure, now serve as our eyes in the sky, unveiling a world that few have witnessed firsthand. This essay embarks on a global journey, piecing together a mosaic of Earth's most stunning vistas through the lens of aerial technology. These soaring perspectives not only inspire awe, but also deepen our understanding of the planet's diverse landscapes and the stories they tell. From the rugged cliffs of Norway to the intricate coral designs of Australia, each location reveals a unique narrative written in stone, water, and life. Silent giants stand guard over the North Sea, their cliffs carved by the relentless work of ice and time. Norway's fjords, a spectacle of nature's artistry, plunge deep into the heart of the earth, their waters a mirror reflecting the azure skies and verdant mountains. These geological wonders are not merely a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the Earth's dynamic past. They tell tales of ice ages and the resilience of nature, carved into the very cliffs that watch over the Scandinavian landscape. As the sun journeys across the horizon, it paints the waters with a palette of golds and crimsons, a daily masterpiece that enchants all who gaze upon it. From above, the Great Barrier Reef is a mosaic of color, sprawling like an underwater garden. This natural kaleidoscope is home to a myriad of life forms, each an essential thread in the tapestry that is our biodiversity. This reef, however, faces threats from climate change to pollution, each a shadow over its vibrant existence. Through the eye of drones, we not only witness its beauty, but also recognize the urgency of its preservation. The clear, warm waters reveal the intricate dance of marine life, a dance of survival and beauty, begging not just to be seen, but also to be saved. Perched between cloud-kissed peaks, the ruins of Machu Picchu whisper stories of a civilization long past. The Inca built this citadel with precision and skill, an architectural marvel that blends seamlessly with its rugged environment. From an aerial view, the site appears as a jewel nestled within a crown of emerald, the green of the forest deep and enigmatic. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the mystical allure of ancient histories preserved in stone. The clouds often roll in like a gentle tide, shrouding the ruins in mystery and majesty, a sight that is both ephemeral and eternal. Tokyo, a city that never truly sleeps, pulses with life and light from above. The cityscape is a tapestry of history and hyper-modernity, where ancient temples sit shadowed by towering skyscrapers. At night, Tokyo transforms into a sea of neon and noise, its bustling streets captured in breathtaking clarity from the skies. The city's energy is palpable, each light a heartbeat, each street a vein pulsing with life. This aerial view not only showcases the architectural grandeur, but also the cultural tapestry that makes Tokyo a city of endless discovery. In the aquamarine expanse of the Indian Ocean, the Maldives appear as droplets of land scattered with deliberate artistic grace. Each island, surrounded by crystal waters, offers a secluded refuge from the world's hustle. The atolls, ring-shaped coral reefs, host vibrant ecosystems, their colors bursting through the clear blue waters. From above, the interaction of light and water creates a spectacle of shimmering blues and greens, a visual serenade of tranquility and natural beauty. These islands are not just retreats. They are vibrant ecosystems crucial for marine biodiversity, their beauty matched only by their ecological significance. The Grand Canyon, a chasm of monumental scale and beauty, stretches across the Arizona landscape, telling a 6-million-year-old story of Earth's power and persistence. Aerial views of this vast landscape expose the intricate layers of rock, each a chapter in a geological narrative. At sunset, the canyon is set aflame with colors so vivid they seem almost supernatural. This natural architecture, shaped by water and time, serves as a humbling reminder of nature's grandeur and its enduring legacy. The winding Colorado River, seen from above, threads through the canyon, a silver ribbon carving its path through the stone. Each year, the plains of the Serengeti come alive with the thunderous steps of millions of migrating wildebeest and zebras. This spectacle, one of nature's grandest migrations, is a dynamic display of life's tenacity and the brutal beauty of survival. From the aerial perspective, the migration resembles a fluid moving tapestry, each animal a thread woven into the larger story of life and death on the African savanna. This event not only supports the Serengeti's ecosystem, but also attracts predators and scavengers, each playing their role in the circle of life. The aerial view provides a unique vantage point to witness this epic journey, a testament to the interconnectedness of Earth's inhabitants. Rising from the tidal flats of Normandy like a fortress of solitude, Mont-Saint-Michel stands as a medieval marvel, its architectural splendor even more pronounced from above. This island commune, accessible only at low tide, reveals the genius of medieval architecture and the enduring strength of religious devotion. The surrounding waters, which at high tide transform Mont-Saint-Michel into an island, add to its mystical appeal. The play of light on the waters and the shifting sands paint a picture of temporal beauty, a fleeting moment of grace captured from the skies. This aerial view not only highlights the architectural beauty, but also underscores the dramatic interplay between land and sea, a dance of nature and human endeavor. The Arctic, a pristine wilderness of ice and snow, reveals its austere beauty in the stark whites and deep blues that dominate the landscape. From above, the ice floes, vast and vulnerable, tell a story of a world on the brink, affected by the warming climes. The unique wildlife, from polar bears to seals, dot the landscape, their movements a testament to the resilience required to survive in such extreme conditions. The aerial view captures these moments of survival against a backdrop that is both beautiful and harsh. This landscape, while remote and challenging, holds a beauty that is stark, powerful, and profoundly moving, urging a call to action for its preservation. Our journey through the skies concludes, but the vistas we've explored continue to resonate with their beauty and significance. From the secluded atolls of the Maldives to the bustling streets of Tokyo, Each location offers a unique glimpse into the diversity and splendor of our planet. As we reflect on these aerial wonders, let us also consider our role in preserving these landscapes for future generations. The world is a tapestry of breathtaking vistas, each deserving our admiration and respect. Through the lens of our drones, we capture not just images, but also a call to cherish and protect these stunning views of our Earth.